Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 17. This is Section 3.6, Problem 17. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 1/25. So, if any of these convert the fraction to a decimal, if you can use your calculator, just divide the numerator divided by the denominator. 1 divided by 25, you'll get the answer right away. If you cannot use your calculator, write out a division problem. So I make my division symbol. The numerator goes inside the division symbol. The denominator goes in front of the division symbol. So if 25 divides into 1, well, 1's not big enough. 25 won't go in. So write the 1 as a 1.0 and treat it as a 10. And when I do that, the decimal has to come straight up. Still won't fit. 10's not big enough to fit at 25. So it really goes in 0 times. So 0 times 25 is 0, and I subtract 10 minus 0 is still 10. But now what's going to happen, since it didn't go in evenly, I'm going to add another 0 on the top and pull it straight down. And that 10 with the 0 after it is 100. Now 25 will divide into 100 nicely. 4 times 25 is 100. So I put a 4 on the top. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 2 more that I carried is 10. Or I just remember that 4 times 25 is 100. But anyway, you wind up with 100 minus 100, which is 0. So it went in evenly. So the answer is 0.04. So 1/25 as decimal is 0.04. And with all of these, if you don't have the number in front, you can write 0.04 if you like. Or you can just write 0.04.